Why does African music feel so interactive? Well, most people think African music is too loud. Hey there, my name is Olumayowa your music enthusiast with a strong and unapologetic knack for Tiwantiwa music. When I say Tiwantiwa music, I mean our own Yoruba indigenous music. Yes, all the genres. Yes. Now, most people think our Tiwantiwa music is just loud, and that's not true. There's a reason why our Tiwantiwa music feels different, and this reason is the structure. I talked about the structure in my last post. Yes, it feels so interactive, and this is because of the powerful musical structure, which is called call and response. Here is how it works: the lead singer chants or sing a musical phrase. That's the call. If you remember in my last post, I sang a song, an Ondo song. Yes. Ondo ekimogu o, mota ilato. Ondo ekimogu o, mota ilato. I use that as an example. Now, then the audience replies with a fixed or repeated phrase, which is the response. So you now know what call and response mean. It means a leader or the lead singer or a lead chanter, sings a musical phrase, which is a call. Then the audience replies with a fixed or repeated phrase, which is the response. Now, it is more than just repetition. Yes, this kind of music, that's the call and response, creates musical conversation. Instead of just one person performing and other people listening passively, I talk about audience interaction in my previous post. Yes, instead of just one person singing and doing all the da 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 da, our Tiwantiwa music gives room for response. It gives room for audience interaction, and everybody becomes part of the music. Yes, go and listen to any music that Tiwantiwa music. When I say Tiwantiwa music, I mean Yoruba indigenous music. Go and listen to it. You see that everyone becomes part of the music. The leader guides, the chorus reinforces, and the energy moves back and forth. This participation increases intensity, it increases the rhythm, and the rhythmic flow gets stronger and stronger. This is why African music feels alive. It is not just a solo performance, it is a shared energy.